well, I completely serviced this thing, and I bought the fan motor, cleaned it up. So I'm gonna start using it. So here's fan motor only on high. And you're also hearing the outdoor fan. It's actually pretty quiet without it. It's fan only. So here's the compressor. I'm dumb. This thing is rated for 7.5 amps for 5.5 BTU. It's not bad. I think this uses a little less. That's only 5. Oh man, that thing's already cold. It's coming down on 10. Getting pretty cold. Definitely get a lot colder than that, because right now it's indoors and not outside. So I mean, yeah, it's gonna be a little loud, but it's not gonna be anywhere near as loud as it is now, because you can still hear the outdoor fan. My guess is it's gonna run around 6.5, which is funny because the other 4,000 BTU one ran at the same amperage. And the fan motor draws the same amount, so this one's just as efficient as that. Oh, that is nice and cold already. The pressure's still rising. Wow, that is super cold. still rising, but I think it's gonna be around then, or run around that amperage, but wow, that is really nice. I'll just let it run, but thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed.